I wanna see his video for us.
He was using his phone?
Yeah. No, my phone.
Oh, you have to watch it.
This is a palace. So beautiful. That is a security guard over there.
Hello, nag-vlog si ma'am.
Not really. I'm just taking picture. I mean, video. What is the name?
Kiandra.
Oh yeah. How about this place? What is
Temple of Leia, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Beautiful name with ugly face.
No, she is pretty. Don't believe him. You are so pretty.